What's up? It's your boy. I'm back. This is what I did all day, man. Hung this door. Don't ever buy aftermarket doors and stuff, man. They junk. So today I got this all done up. Got the rocker panel in place. The support, I had to take this out, re-weld the support up in here, so that's all done. The footwell is all done, so tomorrow's gonna be complete. I'm just tacked everything in place so I can make sure everything is lined up. So that's what I got, that's all done. The rocker is just set up in place. I'm still gotta full weld everything out, but it's looking good. You can tell everything is all done, just tacked into place. New quarters in. So she's looking good. Still got some welding fitments and all that stuff to do, but she's getting there. You can tell the door adjustments. Got to do a little bit on the door adjustments here on the bottom. Just got to tweak, but the lines, they all lined up pretty good. But yeah, man, the aftermarket stuff. If you can get like doors, original doors, use original doors. These aftermarket stuff is junk, man. They ain't no good. But anyway, thanks for watching.